talk about common chord progressions. And just as a little tip, the magic chords are 1, 4, 5, and minor 6. They're in a ton of progressions, so utilize them wisely. So a perfect example would be a 12-bar blues. It uses 1, 4, and 5 chords. All right, check this out. We're in the key of E. So that's your 1. A is your 4. B is your 5. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. 1. 1. And now to 4. 4. And back to 1. 1. To 5. 4. 1. Turn around 5. That is your 12-bar blues using a 1-4-5 chord progression, and check that out. You could do that in any key because now you know your Roman numerals. All right, let's check out another common chord progression. This is your 1, minor 6, 4, 5. So this one's really popular in like the slow dances of the mid-50s. I think about Marty McFly in the gymnasium. You know what I mean. Check this out. 1, minor 6, 4, 5. Now let's check out a very common chord progression in pop music that goes way back. This is a song called Pachelbel's Canon in D. So you've probably heard this one at a lot of weddings, but you've probably heard it on the radio a ton of times too in modern music. Check this out. 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. So just keep in mind, a lot of those common chord progressions used 1, 4, 5, and sometimes minor 6. So put that in your pocket because we're going to use those chords later on. Now keep in mind, you might not like those chord progressions. You might be like, dude, those are so common. That's what experimentation is for. So we might use those chords and kind of work a way that makes it sound a little bit newer and less predictable. Or you might be like, you know what? I don't want to use those at all. So we're going to get into that a little bit later with borrowed chords.